Hi, welcome to DataWitzz. My name is Istaba, and in this video, we will learn about how to use a rank function and dense rank in SQL. Right now, I am using Oracle SQL, and in this, we will be ranking something salary for a particular department. So, I have created a particular table which is employee name. If I will run this, we can see that we have data for employees with their name, the job, and the manager name, hire date, salary, then commission, then department. So I wanted to rank salary by department name. So I wanted to see who is the highest salary, then the next highest salary, and the least salary. So to use this rank, we first need to understand how this rank works. So here we can see that the suggestion has given rank over then order by. We also use partition here. So let us start rank. Here I wanted to partition by department name. So these are my categories here. And then we wanted to order the salary here. And I wanted to put it as a ascending. So I will not mention anything by salary. Now this particular rank from here to here is a column. It will give a value of 1 2 3 4 something like that. So we need to put a rank also. So I will put a salary rank, as I wanted to pull all these values. So I used a dot asterisk, and a is the alias of employee name. So now I will run this, and here I can see that my department 10 has three different values, and 1300, 2450, and 5000 are the salary values, and it gives 1 for the lowest, 2 the next lowest, then 3 for the highest. I can here make it descending also, means the highest salary first, I will rank first, and then next highest, then the lowest one. Here the 5000 is the highest salary in the rank department number 10, then 2450, then 1300. So it ranked 1 2 3. Now here I can see that in the department 20 we have 2% salary is the same like 3000. So it gives rank 1 for the both, and for the third person it skips the rank of 2, it gives directly 3. So this is an you can say disadvantage of the rank, that it will skip the mid rank. Whenever there is a duplicate, it will skip the second rank. Like here it skipped 2, it automatically came 3, then 4, then 5. Now we can check further value. Here 1 2 3 is the same, then for the 4 250 it is skip, it gives the same rank 4 and 4. This salary 250, then 250, it gives 4 4. Now the next rank should be 5, now it skipped 5 and gives 6. So to overcome this we will use rank. dense rank. So how dense rank work? We will just use the same nomenclature here like we used in the rank function. So let us write dense rank over order salary of partition like this. So rank, dense rank, just one difference, rank and here dense rank. Over is the same, then partition by, and in the partition by we will give department number, then order by is the salary, and we wanted to rank 1 for those who have the highest salary, and we will give name salary dense rank. Now run this. A new column has been created here. Now as you remember that in the first section we talked about the duplicacy, like 3000 3000, the rank was 1 given for both, and the next was the 3, it skipped the number value. So now here I can see it gives rank 1 for both 3000, then instead of skipping 1, it gives the next value, means 2. So here in the normal rank function it gives 3 rank, means skipping 1. Here it doesn't skip, it gives the next value. Same as in the 3030, what we can see here that 1 2 3 4, it gives 4, the same values 250 for both rows. Next after 250 the 950 came, and instead of skipping it gives the value of 5. So here it helps us a lot, means that it is not going to skip any rank, you will get every rank 1 2 3 4. Even when tie is, the number is tying, it will give the same rank both, but for the next value it will give the next rank. I hope this video helps you understand about the difference between rank and dense rank. If you like this video, kindly share with others also. Please do not forget to subscribe my video. Thank you for watching this video.